We bought a Ford Ranger.
Yee. Alright, Douglas, how the heck did we end up with this freaking thing?
Well, let me show you why. Performance air ducting.
Functional too.
The 3-liter V6 makes an astonishing 150 horsepower. That's almost 100 to the wheels. 15-inch premium chrome steelies. Custom performance racing cab dump exhaust.
What's that noise, Douglas?
That's the sound of baby seals crying, Austin.
Alright, so we're going for a trip in the old Ranger right now. Gotta love the little hula girl. Lets us know, you know, our off-road degrees and stuff like that.
Yeah,
when she's dancing.
It's a G meter. Depending on her, you know, the axis of her skirt, how hard we're getting it. So
yeah, here she is. AC blows nice and cold. It's a premium sound. Everything's good, but all in all, it's a really clean truck. It's got brand new carpet. We redid the headliner the other day.
Suede.
Oh
Suede
yeah.
headliner.
Oh, Alcantara. But yeah. So tell us why you got the Ranger, Douglas.
So you guys know that we love our GM vehicles, but we went ahead and I actually found this Ranger kind of for a steal. So
yeah, it was cheap.
The way prices have been on used vehicles lately, it's just been kind of through the roof, and you know, people are asking $5,000 for trucks with 280,000 miles, one front seat, no headlamp,
no low balls. I know what I got.
Yeah, transmission's messed up, or a blown head gasket, or this or that. So, and as you guys know, I drive the Corvette. That is my daily car. So I wanted something just a little bit more comfortable, something a little bit more practical. And I knew that when I bought the Corvette in the first place. So I knew what I was getting into. I still don't regret buying it. I still don't regret selling the Ram. But this way I get something that I can use and not really care about as much as, let's say, the Corvette.
So I guess what Douglas is trying to say is miles per gallon, not miles per gallon with the Ranger at least.
Yeah, definitely not miles per gallon. It is a fun joke of a truck, I'm not gonna lie. So all you Ranger fanboys out there, I'm sorry, but this thing's a joke. And then now I drive one, so I guess the joke's on me.
Yep. Well, the best part is now we don't have to take my truck everywhere to go haul stuff, pick stuff up, whatever, you know, so we can put the Ranger through the ropes, through the test, and, you know, use it for its ability and just daily drive it and all that good stuff.
So in all seriousness, guys, that is a pretty nice little truck, I'm not gonna lie. It did need some few things like a water pump, a couple gaskets, stuff like that, but really $500-600 later, and now it's a pretty damn reliable daily. So now what that means is we can go ahead and put a cam in the Corvette and take our time with it, not have to worry about you know, when we're going to do it, what we're going to do to it, and stuff like that. So make sure you guys tune in next week. Austin and I have been working on the Camaro behind the scenes. We've been getting some few things done, not necessarily the most interesting things, but we're getting back to the point where we're going to start making some good headway on it and get closer to the goal of finishing the car. Just give you guys a little sneak peek. Engine is in, found a little header clearance issue, and a new motion billet alternator bracket. And as you can see, our balancer is off, so we have to change the offset of the balancer to match the alternator to actually fit. So if you guys have a second gen F-body, then you know the struggles that we're going through with the alternator bracket. For this video, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Let us know in the comments what you think we should do with the Ranger next. I know it's going to be a daily for a while, but there might be a point to where we could actually have some fun with it. So we could LS swap it, Coyote swap it, EcoBoost swap it, or just keep it how it is and just run it until it dies.